Hello everyone, welcome to Classmate Academy. Today we are going to discuss SSC 2024 questions related to triangles. Those are very important for SSC 2025 exams because most of the models are repeating. Let us start with questions. First question is, in a triangle PQR, the bisectors of angle Q and angle R meet at point O. Okay, inside the triangle. If angle QO are equal to 107 degrees, then the measure of angle P is. Okay. First, let us take a triangle PQR. Now, bisectors of angle Q and angle R meet at point O. Bisector of angle Q ante, in previous video we have discussed, bisector ante angle ni half ga cut chese line. Okay, if this is angle Q, we want a line that cuts the angle into half, ante Q by 2 ga cut cheyali. So take a line. This is Q by 2, this is Q by 2, okay. This is bisector, and angular bisector of angle R. This is R by 2, this is R by 2. These two meet at a point O, and angle QOR is given. Angle QOR and the angle 107 degrees annar. Okay. What we want is angle P. We want this angle. Okay. Now observe this triangle QOR. This triangle we have three angles, Q by 2, R by 2 and 107 degrees. Sum of these three angles should be equal to 180 degrees. That is Q by 2 plus R by 2 plus 107 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Q plus R by 2 is equal to 180 minus 107 ante 73 degrees. Q plus R is equal to 73 into 2, that is 146 degrees. Okay, and in triangle PQR, sum of angle P plus Q plus R should be equal to 180 degrees. P plus Q plus R should be equal to 180 degrees. We know sum of Q plus R, that is 146. Angle P will be equal to 180 minus 146, that is 34 degrees. 34 degrees. Okay, angle P is 34 degrees. Our option is D. Okay, now we will see some concept related to this question. Okay, first let us take a triangle. Assume this is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, internal angular bisector of angle Q and angle R meet at some point O. Okay, what will be this angle in terms of angle P? In terms of angle P, this angle anta ante 90 plus P by 2. Okay, in terms of angle P, internal angular bisector of other two angles meet at some point. This angle anta ante in terms of P 90 plus P by 2. Okay, come to this question. Ikkada internal angular bisector of angle Q and angle R meet at some point O. This angle anta ante 107 degrees, that is equal to 90 plus P by 2. Okay, 107 is equal to 90 plus P by 2. We want angle P. Angle P kanukundam indulonchi. P by 2 equal to 107 minus 90 is 17. Angle P is equal to 34 degrees. We will get directly like this. Instead of doing traditional method, we can directly remember this and follow this method. Okay, now this is internal angular bisector of angle Q and angle R. Let us take external angles of Q and R. External angle ante this triangle angle Q kada. This is angle Q. This will be external angle of Q, that is 180 minus Q. Okay, this will be external angle of R, that is 180 minus R. External angular bisector ante external angle ni half ga cut chese line. Okay, here also external angle ni half ga cut chese line. Ee rendu some, let us assume some O dash point. Ikkada ee angle enta untadante in terms of P, that will be 90 minus P by 2. Okay, internal angular bisectors meet at a point దగ్గర angle 90 plus P by 2 ఉంటుంది. External angular bisectors meet at a point దగ్గర angle 90 minus P by 2 ఉంటుంది. రిమెంబర్ దిస్ పాయింట్. ఈ పాయింట్ బేస్డ్ SSC 2025 ఎగ్జామ్స్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ రావడానికి చాలా హై ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, లెట్ us go to next question. In triangle ABC, two medians AD and BE intersect at G at right angles. Okay, let us take triangle ABC. ABC. Now AD is a median. Median అంటే ఏంటి? From the vertex A to midpoint of opposite side. Midpoint of opposite side is given as D. AD is a median. Okay, and BE is a median again. BE అంటే from vertex B to midpoint of opposite side, that is E. BE is given as median. Okay, medians meet అయ్యే పాయింట్ ఏంటి? Centroid G. Okay, now AD equal to 12 centimeters, length of this median is 12 centimeters, and BE equal to 9 centimeters, length of this median is 9 centimeters. Then length of AB is AB. We want this length. And these two intersect at right angles. This is given as, this is right angle. ఇక్కడ right angle ఉందన్నారు. So this will be a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle with hypotenuse AB, and one of the side is AG and other side is BG. Okay, we know AD length, we want AG length. We know BE length, we want BG length. Okay, ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, this is very important point. ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది. See, this is centroid. ఈ సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఈ మీడియన్ని 2:1 రేషియోలో డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే పైన ఉన్నదేమో 2 పార్ట్స్, కింద ఉన్నదేమో 1 పార్ట్, టోటల్ 3 పార్ట్స్. ఈ 3 పార్ట్స్ వి నో 12. ఈ 3 పార్ట్స్ ఎంత అంటే 12 సెంటీమీటర్స్ అని ఇచ్చారు. లెంత్ ఆఫ్ AD is 12 centimeters. We want these 2 parts. How we will get AG? AG is equal to 2/3 of length of AD. In length of AD, this will be 2/3. అంటే in 3 parts we want 2 parts only. So 2/3 of length of AD, that is 2/3 into 12 centimeters, that is 3 into 4. 4 into 2 is 8 centimeters. Okay, length of AG is 8 centimeters. This length is 8 centimeters. Now we want BG length ఎలా వస్తుందంటే, BE is a median, G అనేది centroid. The centroid divides this median in the ratio 2:1. అంటే we want 2 parts out of 3 parts, that is 2/3 into length of BE. So length of BE is given as 9 centimeters. So we want 2/3 of 9 centimeters, that is 6 centimeters. Okay, this is 6 centimeters. Length of BG is 6 centimeters. We want this AB. This is a right angle triangle with sides 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters. We want the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AB is equal to under root 6 square plus 8 square, that is root 100, that equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, length of AB is 10 centimeters. Our option is D. ఇక్కడ ఈ పాయింట్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, next question. In triangles ABC and DEF, AB equal to FD, angle A equal to angle D, the two triangles are congruent by SAS criterion if. Okay, take two triangles. One is ABC and DEF. Side AB equal to FD. Side AB అంటే ఈ సైడ్, దిస్ సైడ్ విల్ బీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు FD. ఈ రెండు సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అన్నారు. ఓకే, అండ్ యాంగిల్ A ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ D. యాంగిల్ A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ D. అండ్ దిస్ టూ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ కాంగ్రూయెంట్. కాంగ్రూయెంట్ అంటే సైడ్స్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి, యాంగిల్స్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. సైడ్స్ లెంత్ ఆల్రెడీ AB ఈక్వల్ టు DF అన్నారు. ఓకే, వాట్ వీ వాంట్ ఈస్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ కాంగ్రూయెంట్ బై SAS క్రైటీరియన్. SAS అంటే టూ సైడ్స్ విత్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ఇట్. అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ సైడ్, వీ గాట్ an యాంగిల్, వీ వాంట్ దిస్ సైడ్. ఈ సైడ్, దిస్ సైడ్ లెంత్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ సైడ్ లెంత్, బికాస్ side, angle, side, two sides with angle between it, two sides with angle between it. These two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. If we want to tell these two are congruent, we want the length of AC should be equal to length of DE, so that we can tell that these two triangles are congruent. So we want AC equal to DE. Our option is AC equal to DE, that is D. Okay. Next question. In triangle DEF, the bisector of angle D intersects side EF at point N. Okay. If DE equal to 36 cm, DF equal to 40 cm, EF equal to 38 cm, then the length of NF is okay. Take a triangle DEF. In bisector of angle D, internal angular bisector ante we have discussed angle ni half ga cut chestundi. Okay. Intersect EF at point N, ee point N annaru. Okay. And DE is given, DE is 36 cm, DE ante ee length 36 cm, and DF equal to 40 cm, DF is this length, that is 40 cm. EF equal to EF, this length is given as 38 cm. What we want is length of NF, this length we want. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ తెలుసుకుందాం. In a triangle, the internal angular bisector of an angle cuts the opposite side in the ratio of this sides, this length ratio will be equal to this sides ratio. Okay. For example, length of this side is equal to x, length of this side is equal to y. Let us assume length of this side is x, the length of this side is y. Length of this side is y. Okay. Internal angular bisector of this angle cuts the opposite side here. Okay. We want this ratio, ee sides ratio enta ante x is to y వస్తుంది, అంటే this is x is to y. ఈ sides ratio లో internal angular bisector ఈ side ని కట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. We want this point to solve this question. ఈ question లో we know these sides, we know the total side, we want this length. ఈ length ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే En is to NF, En is to NF, ఇది ఏ రేషియోలో ఉంటుంది అంటే En is to NF is in the ratio 36 is to 40. 36 is to 40 అంటే 9 is to 10. 4 into 9, this is 4 into 10. So this will be in the ratio 9 is to 10. అంటే ఇది 9 parts అయితే ఇది 10 parts అవుతుంది. Total 19 parts. 19 parts is equal to 38 centimeters. అంటే total 19 parts is equal to 38 centimeters. What we want is 10 parts. 10 parts length ఎంతో కనుక్కోవాలి మనం. 10 parts అంటే length of NF, NF length ఎంత అంటే 10 by 19 into 38. This will be 19 into 2. 10 into 2 is 20 centimeters. Okay. See, NF is 20 centimeters. Our option is D. Okay. ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన పాయింట్ ఇదే. Angular bisector of an angle cuts the opposite side in the ratio of other two sides. Okay. That's it for today. We'll discuss more questions in upcoming videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.